Alright, we got the wires all cleaned up now. All on the floor. See there. Power, ground, speaker, turn on. And on this side we got, I don't know if you can see that. Got the power, the ground on that side. And remote control for the base, and RCA's on this side. And pretty clean installed. Can't really see any wires. Only wires that you can see are right there, just a little tiny bit. And just there for right now, but they're going to be round up into there, and this is getting changed tomorrow. Yep, looking good.